Eyebrows laminated and feathered, and for that I use the Brow Freeze. This styling wax tames and sculpts every hair in place. It's super easy to use and lasts all day. To fill in my brows, I use the Brow Wiz. It's ideal for outlining and adding precise detail to the brows. This style is super popular at the moment and I totally get why.
2016 versus 2022 brows. Ombre brows. Carve those babies. Fill in with natural hair strokes. Fluff with setting gel. Which do you like better?
Hello guys and girls, this is my quick 2022 brow tutorial. I'm going in with the Big Brow Base by Georgina Cosmetics. Now this gives me like a really bushy laminated effect, which I'm here for. I've loved it in 2021 and I'm bringing her into 2022. Once that's there, I'm going in with the NARS Brow Perfector. Now this is just a dark brown. I'm just filling any gaps or sparseness. So my brow literally takes up half my face, but I'm here for it. I love it. Honestly, these two products together are just so simple, but literally give me such a structure and bushy brow. Look at it. Here for it. Do we like?
I get so weak in the knees, I can hardly speak. I lose all control, and something takes over me. And
No. No, 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 no. Exactly.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Watch me. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. No, you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. No, you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy.
Have you ever been made fun of for something only to have that thing become a trend a few years later? I remember when I first started Instagram, there were some people who made fun of my brows saying that I should change them. Needless to say, I didn't listen. I always felt like I was different from other people. I felt closer to those that were a bit unconventional, and when others followed one direction, I tended to want to go the other. No pun intended. Shout out BTS Army though. Now that thick full brows are on trend, I feel almost vindicated that I was on the right brow path all along. See, this video isn't really about brows. My point is, if there's something in your life that you enjoy and it's not yet that popular, keep doing what makes you happy and don't let anyone tell you otherwise.
long-awaited brow routine. Starting with soap brows, I'm going to comb that through my brows, wait till it dries down a bit, and then press it to the skin. Once I do that, I remove the excess soap around the brows with a Q-tip, and then I take Benefit Gimme Brow as a pomade and just do little brush strokes throughout the brows. I like using Gimme Brow because I find it sticks to the brow hairs really nicely. I then take Benefit High Brow and just slightly conceal underneath my brows. I don't do this every single time. And that's literally it.
I've never gone anywhere to get my eyebrows done because I don't trust anyone, but I also don't trust myself, so I do it in a very easy way. First, I moisturize the area. I use this Tele Organics wand because it moisturizes better than anything else, but it's also super slippery and not sticky. And then I just map out, doing like the little dot method, you know, like from the bridge of your nose through the arch of your brow and then the end, and then I cut everything else away with a straight razor, or actually I think this is called like a dermaplane. Yeah. It gives you a really sharp line, so your eyebrows still look very thick after, and they'll always grow back if you mess up. It's super easy. Then I got this brow gel in the mail, and I was like, it's just gonna be every other brow gel. No, it actually holds my eyebrows so much better than anything else. It's by the brand Refi, and that's it.